Welcome, future entrepreneurs and financial enthusiasts to House Lux Estate. We're here to guide you on a journey to financial independence and abundance. Our channel is dedicated to illuminating the path to wealth, with a particular focus on setting up multiple streams of income. Why, you may ask? Because having more than one income source is a crucial step towards financial stability. It's like building a house with more than one pillar, stronger and more resilient. So are you ready to embark on this journey towards financial stability with us? Stay tuned. To begin with, what do we mean when we say multiple streams of income? Well, in the simplest terms, it refers to having more than one source of income. This could be through a variety of channels such as a full-time job, a part-time gig, a small business, investments, royalties, rental income, and the list goes on. Now, you might ask, why is it important to have multiple streams of income? Let's paint a picture. Imagine relying solely on one river for water, and suddenly that river dries up. You'd be left in a dire situation, right? The same principle applies to income. If your only source of income dries up, you might find yourself in a financial drought. Having multiple streams of income acts as a safety net. It reduces the risk of financial instability and provides a cushion for unexpected life events. Think about it. If one income stream takes a hit, you still have others to fall back on. Moreover, multiple streams of income can also accelerate your journey towards financial freedom. It's like having several roads leading to the same destination. The more roads you have, the quicker you'll get there. And let's not forget the sense of security and peace of mind that comes with knowing you have more than one income source. It's like having a backup generator when the power goes out. You're not left in the dark scrambling to find a solution. Instead, you have a plan B ready to kick in. But it's not just about having multiple streams, it's also about diversifying them. Diversification is key to creating a robust and resilient income structure. It helps spread the risk across different income sources, just like spreading your eggs across different baskets. This way, if one basket falls, you still have others intact. It's all about creating a balanced and diversified income portfolio that can withstand financial storms and keep you afloat. Now that we have a solid understanding of what multiple streams of income mean, let's dive into the process of setting them up. The first step in creating multiple streams of income is identifying your skills and passion. This step is critical, as it lays the foundation for your journey to financial stability. It's all about taking a good, hard look at what you can do, what you love to do, and how these two intersect. Let's start with skills. What are you good at? Are you a whiz at writing? Maybe you have a knack for graphic design, or perhaps you're a pro at public speaking. These are all skills that can potentially be monetized. Now let's talk about passion. What do you love to do? What is it that gets you up in the morning, that keeps you up late at night, that you could talk about for hours on end? This could be anything from gardening to gaming, from cooking to coding. Now, you might be asking, how can I turn these skills and passions into income streams? Good question. Imagine you're a fantastic baker and you love nothing more than creating delicious treats. You could start a baking blog, complete with recipes and baking tips. You could offer online baking classes. Or you could even sell your baked goods at local markets or online. Or let's say you're a yoga enthusiast with a skill for teaching. You could start a yoga YouTube channel, offer online courses, or even open your own yoga studio. The key is to think outside the box. Don't limit yourself to traditional jobs or ways of earning money. Your skills and passions are unique to you, and with a bit of creativity and determination, they could become profitable income streams. Remember, the goal is not just to make money, but to build a life that you love, that brings you joy and fulfillment. And what better way to do that than by leveraging what you're naturally good at and what you love to do? Remember, your skills and passions are unique to you and can be a goldmine if used correctly. Once you've identified your skills and passions, the next step is research and planning. This step is crucial to the process of setting up multiple income streams, as it allows you to make informed decisions about where to invest your time, energy, and resources. Let's break this down. First, market research. This involves identifying potential income streams that align with your skills and passions. It's about looking at the various opportunities available to you and evaluating their potential for success. This could be anything from selling handmade crafts online to offering freelance services to investing in real estate or the stock market. Now, this doesn't mean you should jump on every opportunity that comes your way. On the contrary, the goal here is to be strategic and selective. You want to focus on income streams that not only align with your skills and passions, but also have a high potential for return on investment. Next, assess the feasibility of these potential income streams. This involves looking at factors such as the time commitment required, the cost of entry, the level of competition, and the potential for profit. It's important to be realistic and honest with yourself during this process. If an income stream requires a significant upfront investment or a skill set that you don't currently possess, it may not be the best fit for you at this time. Once you've identified a few potential income streams that seem promising, it's time to plan their implementation. This involves setting clear goals, creating a timeline, and outlining the steps you'll need to take to get from where you are now to where you want to be. Remember, planning is not about predicting the future. It's about preparing for it. So there you have it. Research and planning are key to setting up multiple streams of income. It's not enough to simply have a good idea. You need to do your due diligence, assess the feasibility of your ideas, and plan your path to success. With proper research and planning, you can successfully set up multiple streams of income. Now that you have your plan, it's time to execute and diversify. The execution phase is where ideas become reality. You've identified your skills and passions, done your research, and meticulously planned your course of action. Let's get to work. Firstly, start with one income stream. It may be tempting to jump into multiple ventures at once, but remember, focus is essential. Once you've established your first income stream, nurture it. Let it grow and stabilize before you consider adding another. Now you might ask, why diversify? Diversification is like planting various types of seeds in your garden. If one crop fails, you have others to fall back on. In the same way, having multiple income streams means if one venture doesn't work out as expected, or during economic downturns, you'll have other sources of income to rely on. That said, diversification doesn't mean spreading yourself too thin. It's about balance. It's about managing your time, energy, and resources effectively across all your income streams. Consider this analogy. Diversification is like juggling. The more balls you add, the more complex it becomes. But as you practice, you learn to keep them all in the air. Similarly, as you gain experience managing one income stream, you'll develop strategies and techniques to handle multiple ones. Keep in mind, every new income stream will require its own set of skills, time, and attention. It's important to understand this before you dive in. You'll need to learn, adapt, and sometimes even pivot. But don't be discouraged. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Also, remember to revisit your plan regularly. The world is dynamic, and so should be your income streams. Adapt, evolve, and keep your income streams relevant to the changing market trends. Lastly, don't forget to celebrate your small victories along the way. Each step forward, no matter how small, is progress. It's a testament to your hard work, perseverance, and resilience. Remember, diversification is key to financial stability. And with that, you're not just building multiple streams of income, you're building a safety net for your financial future. As we wrap up, let's go over the key points we've discussed today. The importance of having multiple income streams cannot be overemphasized. It's a game changer, a safety net, a strategic move that not only ensures financial stability, but also sets the foundation for wealth accumulation. We've walked through the process of setting up these income streams. It begins with identifying your skills and passions. Remember, it's not just about making money, but also about enjoying the journey. Your passions and skills are your compass in this endeavor. Next, we discussed the critical role of research and planning. This is where you map out your course, identify potential income streams, and understand the landscape you're about to venture into. It's crucial to invest time in this stage to ensure your success. Then, we moved on to the execution phase. This is where your plans come alive. But remember, execution is not a one-and-done deal. It requires continuous effort, adjustments, and learning. We also talked about diversification. It's not enough to have multiple income streams. They must also be diverse. Diversification reduces risk and increases your chances of financial success. And with that, we've reached the end of our journey today. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more financial wisdom. Until next time, stay financially savvy.